In this video, you're going to learn how to use Google Expedition, virtual reality, or virtual augmented reality in a special education classroom, especially when you would like the kids to explore things that they have never seen before, maybe visit a museum, maybe visit another country, and so forth and so forth. So we're going to go on a virtual reality field trip. First thing you would have to do is download Google Expeditions on your iPad or your tablet or your phone. And once it's installed, you will come to this home screen where you see you have 3 tabs: Discover, Library, and Class. In Discover, this is where you will search for your topics. You can search for either augmented reality or virtual reality. And you see you have a number of topics across the top here, and so you can cater to a number of subjects. I'm going to do virtual reality. I would like for my students to explore Mount Everest, okay? And then you have a couple of views. This view is the view of Mount Everest, and you can just go through it and you can check it out for yourself before you start the guided tour with your students. And if you see here, there is an explanation, and there are some differential questions based on the cognitive level of the student. So you have beginner, intermediate, and advanced, which is great for a inclusive classroom. You can view it in virtual reality if you would like. Normally the kids would have to insert it, as you can see on the screen. There's a cardboard viewer that comes with it. So you can put the phone in the cardboard viewer, and if you click it, well, that's the default, excuse me. So if you click it, this is the view that they will see. They will simply just put it in there, and it looks very awesome and very cool. Okay, and then you can click it to full screen mode if you like, and you still explore. And this is what it would look like. So you have 2 views. They could do it in view like this, or like this. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so now we're back at the same Discover screen. And then if you look in your library now, you will see here, this is where all your downloads are. So what you simply will do is, and you can create your own tour if you like, but we're not going to do that today. We're going to go on a guided tour, okay? So here we have Mount Everest. We'll select that. We're back to that same screen. We're going to select guided, okay? This is what the student will need to pair with your device. You both have to be on the same Wi-Fi in order for this to work. You will click Got It, and then Start. Now it says here no explorers found, okay? So this is what you'll see, and then there's each view. This is the base camp, and this is the view of the base camp. And then if we go back here, they click on wind horses. Then they'll be able to see view the wind horses. Okay. Then they can view the disaster area. And you can make it bigger. And then also, once you in the student view, once explorers are in there, you can actually see them on your screen and see where they're looking, if they're in the right direction, and just kind of guide them back to where they need to be. Okay. And the Circus of Everest. There you go. Nice little view there. And lastly, the Western Shoulder of Everest. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Our virtual reality field trip of Mount Everest is finished. Thank you very much.